Ever wondered why we get hiccups? Hiccups happen when our diaphragm suddenly contracts, forcing us to gulp air quickly. This causes our vocal cords to snap shut, creating that hic sound. But why does this happen? It could be anything from eating too fast, feeling stressed, or even laughing too hard. Some scientists think it's a leftover reflex from our evolutionary past. So next time you hiccup, remember it's just your body's quirky way of saying slow down a little. Curious to learn more fun facts? Stick around for more bite-sized science. Science is everywhere, waiting to be discovered. Let's explore together and uncover the mysteries of our world.